Welcome to Colmay Group's ClickUp demo video for NGOs and nonprofits. If you have not already, please complete the ClickUp University courses for admins. These helpful courses will lay the foundation for what we will cover today. They're always being updated, and they're free. Before you begin your ClickUp journey, it is extremely important to have your systems and processes documented at their most granular level. Here are some questions to discuss with your team when working through your processes. What happens when we land a new client or an additional project for an existing client? How do we handle scope changes on a project? How do we determine or prioritize project requests? How do we communicate and manage risks and issues on a project? How can additional software such as billing or email be integrated? Do we have a standard operating procedure in place to help support a handoff when an employee leaves the company or goes on vacation? Can we run reports like overdue tasks, staff workload, etc.? Can we view project statuses across departments? Having these answers prior to your initial meeting with your ClickUp consultant will help you work more effectively, saving you time and getting you into ClickUp quicker. For a more successful collaboration with our consultants, we have seen at least the following processes documented in advance. Onboarding processes for new team members, vital operations SOPs, what to do when a new project is landed, and typical project workflows. Some common challenges for NGOs and nonprofit organizations can include unclear communication, inefficient workflows, lack of a central organization of documents, a high turnover of staff leading to inconsistent processes, low tech skills, and a lack of dedicated IT or help desk staff, unclear views of portfolios, programs, and projects. ClickUp can help address these challenges, starting with organizing communication by chatting directly in tasks. This keeps track of all changes and comments for transparency. Assign tasks to teams to increase transparency and flow of information. Related documents and necessary files can be linked directly to the task to ensure understanding and aid completion of tasks. ClickUp Docs can be used to store wikis, best practices, SOPs, and more in a central location so that they're accessible to all employees. Docs can also be branded to share with customers, locked to make them private, or select pages can be locked. Docs can be created from templates or saved as templates for future workflows, task information, and projects. Workflows can be made more efficient by creating templates from prior successes. Try looking at the ClickUp community templates to start a process. Templates create a unified and consistent way to manage projects, and some processes can be automated for even more consistency. ClickUp provides high-level views, increasing transparency on projects. Views can also be created to show workloads and capacity so that resources can be managed appropriately. Use ClickUp to communicate effectively, especially for your remote teams, to organize events such as fundraisers and other operations, for standardization so that lessons learned aren't lost from one project to the next, and viewing. Easily create high-level views in a variety of formats for teammates and sponsors. ClickUp is hierarchy-orientated. An example of a hierarchy setup for NGOs and nonprofits includes spaces for each internal department, such as human resources, IT, marketing and event planning, contracts, grant seeking, fundraising, and membership development. Folders are created for processes, programs, and contract management. Lists can be created for grant proposals and member directories. Tasks are created for all the work to be done. For consistency across tasks, create templates to include fields like the task title, the assignee, a text-rich description, time estimates, start and due dates, custom fields, and tags if they're being used. Some custom fields often seen with NGOs and nonprofits include the start and due dates, progress, drop-down fields for document status, number fields for first-year costs, and text fields for performance metrics. Templates can help a group repeat successful processes while maintaining consistency throughout the organization. It can be useful to templatize spaces for operations, like human resources, IT, or portfolios. Folder templates can help create a team member directory, project workflows, or contract management lists. Template lists for grant proposals, award management, or project budgets. Make task templates to keep processes consistent every time. Automations can take over repetitive tasks, saving time. Some common automations when a task is created are applying templates, assigning a team member or watcher, or adding that task to another list. When all subtasks are resolved, automations can move the task to the next status. Automations can also be triggered by status changes to assign a different team member, or add additional subtasks. Automations can also be useful when a due date arrives to change a task priority, assignee, or watcher. Dashboards are private by default, but can be shared with other members, teams, and guests. While all plans can make dashboards, some cards are not available on all plans. Dashboards can also be templatized and pinned to favorites. Campaign tracking dashboards could make use of calculation widgets for numbers of clicks or the line chart for impressions. A dashboard for a project might use a chat card for high-level conversation, status widgets to determine workload by status or number of tasks in progress, or time in each status. A project management dashboard might use time tracking widgets per project or sprint, track projects in different statuses, or resource allocation. Now that you've seen some of what ClickUp can do, consider what you wanted to do for your organization. To help ensure your organization has the most productive onboarding experience and can hit the ground running, we will need the following at the first meeting. Consider having your ClickUp sponsor team document the following. What are your 5 must-haves? What forms do you currently use, and how could ClickUp make them better? How do you currently view tasks, and how would you like to view tasks? How do your teams collaborate? What is the current process for workflow approval? Having this information in advance will help get you into ClickUp quicker. Thank you. We hope to see you in ClickUp soon.